Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. And I don't know about you guys, but I get sick and tired of my GoPro batteries dying on me. It gets very frustrating, so I decided I'm going to look around, see if I can find something cheap to actually help substitute my batteries dying, because I currently have two batteries and I do a lot of video work and I run out of batteries because they die quick. So we went and we found this little guy, and I'm pretty excited. Hopefully it works like it should. Looks like it says, if you're unhappy, we apologize. We'd love the opportunity to fix it. So that's pretty cool. So if you have issues with it, you can actually contact them and they would be happy to help you fix that issue. If you guys are interested, you can find this product in my video description from the safe seller. So this is for a GoPro. Let's see, GoPro 5, 6, and 7. So that's pretty awesome. And you get 3 batteries from this specific kit, and you get the charging station for it. Let's go ahead, unwrap this. Oh, that's a cool box. That's really nice. Wow. Nice squared box. It's rounded in the corners here, so you guys can pause the video right here if you want to read what it says on the back of it. Yeah, I like that. That's really nice. So let's take a look at the batteries. Yeah, they're just your simple standard GoPro batteries. They actually, let's see, they are premium cells, rechargeable lithium-ion battery for Hero5, 6, 7, Hero Black, Hero 2018, 3.85 volts, 1500 mAh, 5.7 WH lithium-ion. So what I like about these is how they charge. You just simply stick them down in, so like this, and each one charges the same exact way, so that's really nice. It's pretty cool. They actually come in these little cases too, so if you want to take them on the go, just stick them down in. So let's see, plug the one port in here. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. It's a Type C. Well, we know that's actually not an old product then. So let's plug this in here, power it on. Let's get some juice. And now, I don't know if you guys can see it because of the camera lights on, but when it's not pushed in the whole way, it's green. When you press it in, it's red, and that means when it turns green, it means it's done, it's fully charged. So it looks like that one must have been charged fully when they shipped it. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that a lot. So make sure the back is in the whole way as well, so you just press it in. I think we actually might have had the back not in the whole way, so that's why it was green. So there we go. Yeah, so for the price, you get 3 batteries, a charging station, and the cable, plus 3 battery cases. I think for the price, I think everything is worth it, especially if you're a YouTuber like me that relies on having enough memory and battery to last whatever you want to do. So I think I'm going to give this a Scott score, an 8. Let's do a 7.5 out of 10. I don't know. It's hard to say. We got to test the batteries out and play around with them for a while. So we're going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. For right now, we may up that or drop it, depends on how everything performs. So we will update our review then. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with it right now, and I think it's a good price and worth it for now. So thank you guys for watching.